Hi guys, today we're making a DIY alarm. 12 volts. The 7805 IC we step down our 12 volts to 5 volts to power our CD4017 IC. This is our buzzer which uses 12 volts coming from our L293d. This is our switch to reset the alarm, and that's our sensor. So anytime someone goes to pass by the sensor, the alarm triggers on. So let's show you how it works. I have plugged in my IC. And look at it, I've soldered it. You see this bridge, I severed the connection between these two sides so that these two sides are not connected together. I use my soldering iron to do this while it's hot, to scratch it. It removes the copper so they're no longer connected. To be sure if this works very well, you can use your multimeter to test it. Let me get my multimeter. Okay guys, this is my multimeter. So I'm going to put it at this to look like an LED. For testing LEDs, it can be used to check for continuity. So if there's a sound, that means those two parts are still connected. So when I run these two parts together, you hear a sound. So if any of these two parts are connected, we're going to hear a sound. So let's test them. Here and here, no sound. That means they're not connected. So I put it here. You hear the sound. So let's come. So those two parts are not connected. No sound, they are not connected. No sound here also, so they are not connected. That's good. They're not connected. Not connected. Not connected. Not connected also. Not connected. Not connected. So they are not connected. I've completely severed the connection between them. Now it's time to put the second IC socket. I've put the second IC socket. I left some space here. I'm still going to put something here. So what to do now? We bend it. Bend the other side. Now I'm going to go and sever the connection between this place here. I'll use my soldering iron to sever it. So let's go. Now you can see I've severed the connection. Can you see it clearly? You see it? Sever the connection. So let's check it out. I've severed the connection. Can you see? But I'm seeing one is not done very well. You can see this one here. I'm going to check with our multimeter. So let's get started. No sound. That means it's connected. That means they're not connected, which is good. No sound. They're not connected. No sound. They're not connected. No sound. They're not connected. They're not connected. Let's do this again. They're not connected. 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 They are not connected. So nothing is connected here. So we have successfully severed this connection here. Now we have soldered the other IC. See? So the two ICs are soldered. The two IC sockets are soldered. Now I'm going to solder the 7805 IC. This is the 7805 IC. So I'm going to plug that right in here. The first pin here is the voltage in pin. This middle pin here is our ground pin, and this pin here will give us 5 volts. The 7805 IC steps down any voltage from 7 to 32 volts. It steps it down to 5 volts. I'm using 12 volts on my circuit, so this 7805 IC will step down the 12 volts to 5 volts. So let's plug it in and bend the pins. Bending the pins now. So let's go solder it. Okay, I've soldered the 7805 IC. Doesn't look very straight, but it's soldered well. So this is the connection at the back, but they look pretty close. To be sure if they're not bridging each other, we can check with our multimeter. So let's check. No, they're not connected. You guys hear that? I think it's a bridge. We have to check very well. It might have been from somewhere else. So let us hold it well. Oh, there's a bridge here. Between these two pins, we have a bridge. Let's see. So we have to go check that out. So I've worked on that. So let's check it again. There's no connection. So I think we're good. Staple. So we're good. Let's check this one also. Nothing. Check this and this. Nothing. So we are good. Now I'm going to solder resistor to pin. What pin is that? I'm going to solder a resistor to pin 15 of this IC, for this IC circuit of CD. I've shortened the leads. This is a 9.1k resistor. We're going to connect it to pin 15. Alright guys, the circuit is complete now. This is my 12 volt DC jack, which provides 12 volts. The 7805 IC we step down at 12 volts to 5 volts to power our CD4017 IC. This is our buzzer, which uses 12 volts coming from our L293d. This is our switch to reset the alarm, and that's our sensor. So anytime someone goes to pass by the sensor, the alarm triggers on. Thanks for watching.